Hello, my name is Brian Koetter. I'm Vice President of Koetter Woodworking, Sales and Marketing. Today we'd like to share with you a couple of exciting sales tools there we have created for our customer base to allow them to be able to make millwork easy. With that, I'm going to introduce you to Clay Gayheimer. He oversees our product management and customer service. And Carol Phillips, she oversees our marketing portion of the company and inside sales. So with that, Clay.
Hi. So about 4 years ago or so, we embarked on a little project to help customers, engage and interact with them better. We've had traditional printed price tools. We use spreadsheet-based pricing tools, of course, phone, faxes, all of those methods, and they all have their shortcomings. We needed to find a better way to interact with customers, let them see our product offerings, let them quote those offerings, and all the way to ordering. So we developed a software application that is a web-based application, Koetter Connect. Most of our architectural millwork dealers are now using this tool. We launched it in June of this year. It enables a dealer to log in and quote anything from a piece of plywood to a stair component to a custom molding run to a pre-hung custom manufactured style and rail door. They can log in, see that it's very visual based. It's device agnostic, so it works with any tablet, any PC, any Apple products, and it's accessible anywhere there's an internet connection. So it really lets our users be mobile with it, lets them access it from anywhere, and really kind of gets us into where we need to be in terms of technology and letting them use that, move past some of the shortcomings of the older tools that I mentioned that we had. It is very visual. Customers can come in, create a quote. Ultimately, once they do create that quote, it'll provide a full list. It walks them through all the questions, which is helpful. It's very easy sometimes when there are a lot of variables, species and heights and widths and thicknesses and all of the things that a customer has to answer. It's easy to overlook a piece. This system won't let them move forward until they've answered all the questions they need to answer. And then once they get that done, it'll give them pricing, lead time, drawings. So we'll get visualizations with dimensions on it. So it really is a much more all-encompassing information that it allows our dealer to have at their fingertips. So we're pretty excited about that. As I said, we just launched it in June. So as with any new software product, there are some bugs that pop up from time to time, and appreciate our customers' patience in working through those. But the beauty of it is, as you saw maybe in a manufacturing tour, if you watched that video earlier, we're all about continuous improvement, about engaging technology, about constantly making things better. And this software tool will be no different. It'll evolve with us, it'll grow with us, and we'll continually improve it for the benefit of our dealers and the downstream channel partners. So in addition to Koetter Connect, we're also excited and right in the middle of redesigning a tool that we've had for several years. Many of our dealers will be familiar with the tool we call Envision It. Envision It is available through our website. It's really an architectural design tool and our profile catalog library. So we have probably nearing on 10,000 knives in the tool room. This lets a user, whether it be an architect or a builder or our dealer, have access to all of those profiles to know what we have. It's really beneficial if you're designing a project, you want to do some value engineering and pick from existing tooling library rather than start from scratch. You can get into the program and see all of that. What it will let you do, you can sort by product type, baseboard, crown molding, casing. You can sort by architectural style. You can sort by thickness, width. So there's a variety of ways that lets a user interact with it to find most quickly what they're after. Once they find that, it will let them take a profile and really do a rendering of it in a 3D method. So in the image on the left-hand screen, if that's visible, there's some baseboard profiles and crown molding profiles combined together to make a larger architectural detail. The upgraded version of Envision It that we are in the process of developing again will let customers take that 3D model and rotate it 360 degrees so they can really get a good visual on what this thing they've designed is going to look like. So we're pretty excited about that, as well as just the rendering that it will do to visualize what that buildup might look like on your wall. So Again, many of our customers are familiar with Envision It. This is just taking it to a new level and updating it. And we're excited about that and can't wait to get that out in your hands.